In painting, sa painting, you start, ano yung first na kailangan? You must have a concept. What's a concept? Yun po gagawin yung i-paint. Okay? So, halimbawa ng concept, gagawa kayo ng sunrise to sunset, gagawa kayo ng landscape, waterscape. Ano yung landscape? Parang mag-fancy na body of land, waterscape, body of water. Okay, tanong ko kayo, ano yung gusto nyo i-paint? Bahay? Kayo? Kayo ano? Ha? Sunset. Kayo dito, anong gusto nyo i-paint? Sunset. Kayo dyan, anong gusto nyo i-paint? Sunset. Kayo, anong gusto nyo i-paint? Ha? Something. Ano? Sunrise daw. Kayo? Midnight. Parents dyan, grandparents, ano gusto nyo? Nature. Mom, what would you like to paint? Kapitana, kung ikaw mag-paint, ano gusto mo mag-paint?
Nature na lang.
Nature. Okay, so usually we use canvases or canvas board. Nakagamitin dito pero since we are just starting, bakit ko lang tayo mag-explain. Okay? Then, before we start, ito yung mga magandang in-sketch na mukha. Bukas po, we're going to launch yung community mural yun dito sa Bayansky. Gagawa tayo ng painting dyan. And I'd like to invite the following. Congratulations. Kayo po yung mga nakusuhan na gumawa ng magandang portrait. Ruel Panelo. Wali Victoria. Si Elena Agsi. Ha? Yan. You join us tomorrow. Kapitana, anong gusto mong time mag-start?
I think mga 9.
9 o'clock?
Are you okay with 9?
Wala naman pasok po kasi suspended, di ba? Pati office. Kati, suspended hanggang bukas, di ba?
Sir, confirmation kayo tomorrow.
Wala pa yun. Eunice Tamandol. Where's Eunice? Kailan Mateo? Sino yung gumawa nito? Ikaw? Sulat ko yung pangalan ng may you join us tomorrow dito sa basketball.
Very happy.
This is Clark. Sino si Clark? Pagundol. Yan. Tomorrow, you join us tomorrow sa basketball court, ha?
Okay.
Athena Denise Ruivar. Athena. Yung sinabi kong anin, tomorrow, you join us dito sa basketball court. Okay? Ayun. Start tayo. Ano yung mga brushes na ginagamit? Bakit kinuha nyo yung mga brushes na dito? I'm supposed to lecture on what we use. Usually, the big brush is used to do the primer. Okay? Then the medium brush. Then, yeah. The smaller brushes. This one. Then for detailing, yung kung halimbawa maglagay ka ng maliliit na painting, you will need the smallest brush for detailing. So, you start. Usually, you need to put primer. Usually, yung mga canvas na pinipili, meron ng primer, may keso yun. Pero kung wala, you can put it in one. So to start with, para mas mabilis, I will use this. Ito, makinig kayo. I will use this medium brush. So, gagawa tayo ng sunset. Usually, you follow the colors of the color wheel. It's the rainbow actually. Ano yung mga rainbow colors? Red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet. Yes. Green, blue, indigo, and violet. What are the primary colors? Red, yellow, blue, green, what else? Oh. Pwede nyo isama yun yung white and black, okay? So, ganito. Usually pag sunset, yan ay lalabas yung natural beauty, no? So you start with, limbawa ito, primary color. Kung gusto nyo mag-produce ng color na orange, ano ang imimix nyo? Very good. Gusto nyo ng violet? You want pink? You want green?
Black and white.
You want apple green? Apple green. Ito, apple green. Anong imimix mo? Dapat yellow and green. Okay? So, let's start the ball rolling. Kayong mga nandyan, dito kayo para makita niyo. Dito na naman. Malayo ah. Saan para madaling makita? Anyway, I'll start with red. Masyadong malayo. So, red. Okay? Yan. The magic. This is what they call, you express your thoughts through colors. Okay? So, yan. Yan. Red. Now, usually pag takip silid, no? May kombinasyon yan na yellow. So, yun. Yan. Okay? So, mag-orange yun, di ba? Yan. Ito, gamitin nyo itong mga brush for washing, ay for wiping. Pag gusto nyo magpalit ng kulay, mag-wash lang kayo ng water. This is water-based acrylic pala itong ginagamit natin, ha? So, madali yan. Okay? So, this is the combination. So, you watch how I play with colors.
Wait.
Okay. Yan ano? Like this lang. Doon yung kombinasyon. So, ang magiging end result, ito. Okay? So, this is going to be your background. Okay? So, yun na yung... Okay, yan. Okay? You can do this while... pwede niyong gawin yun. Okay? Okay? Yan. Ayan. Let's combine it with nature. Gawa kayo kung gawa kayo ng brush. Or you can, what you can do is like this. Ha? Okay. down. Okay? Diyan ba yung barangay secretary natin?
Yes po.
You keep this one. Bukas, check natin sila yung anim na yun. You come tomorrow. Okay. So, i-drive muna natin ito. You can do it. Okay. Yan. Gawin nyo yung ganyan. Gayahin nyo yung ginawa ko. Okay. Yan. So, yan na yung output, ha? Ito. Okay, yan yung output. Okay? Yan. Okay. Itong small brush for details, okay?
Kanina to. Ako. Yan, okay to.
Anong pa nito? Anong flower to?
Okay yung stroke.
Okay? So, pang detail ito, small brushes, okay?
Wala na tayong yellow. Yellow sana. Busy mo din ang dami.
Sample lang yan. Ngayon, gawa tayo ng pana. Sa Thailand.
Sasama mo na dito. Or speed. The black is the black.
Okay, ito may tubig yan.
But someone is putting black inside.
Ito lagyan ng tubig.
Pero mamaya.
Kasi tubig yan.
Oh,
Huwag mong ganyanin.
Lagyan ng yelo, wala ng yelo.
Dito, ganyan mo.
Mamaya yan.
Ganyan.
I think I put more.
Ubus na rin.
Put too much black.
Anyway, kombinasyon lang yan, ano?
So I cannot put it.
Hindi natin matapos to kasi hindi yung ilagay dito. Yan yun.
Brush.
Yes. Pero magbugas ka.
Mampalitan ulit. Tubig.
Okay? Yan. Yan. Sample lang ito, ganyan. Okay? Pwede namin finish yan. Yan, brush mo yan. Yun, parang ganyan yan. Bugasin mo lang. Ganyan, combination ha. Ayan na. Okay?
Magaling yung brush.
Hindi, bahala kayo. Basta kanya-kanya discount kayo. You use your imagination.
Basta slowly lang. Kasi copy mo na lang.
Okay, send mo.
Me. Nagalisak nga eh.
Magalis ka.
Oh,
Diyan. Pagaling ka po po na tapos kita po yung next na
Once.
kape kayo. Kape mirindota. Na kape yo, kape. Minasok na kape, kape ni gitu dua, ate gitu talo. Yan. Basta.
I can feel something under me. That's just the chunks. That's just the chunks of this thing like that. Bro, what are you? I don't know. Ang color na. No. Bro,
Ganito yung ginawa ko lang. See you on YouTube.
Okay, sino pwede yung challenge? Okay. 3.
Checkmate. Checkmate. Yes.
Okay.